Okay, real talk. How many of us actually go back and look at the thousands of photos sitting in our phones or cloud storage? Yeah, me neither. But that changed when I found this gem, the Frameo 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame, and wow, it's seriously a game changer. With the free Frameo app, you can instantly send your favorite moments, photos or even short videos, straight from your phone to the frame, no matter where you are in the world. I sent pics to my mom's frame while I was on vacation. She cried happy tears. The 10.1-inch HD IPS touchscreen, super crisp, like scroll through Instagram but better crisp. Whether it's on a table or mounted on the wall, the colors are vivid, the details are sharp, and it even auto-rotates, so vertical or horizontal, it just works. And don't worry, privacy is locked down. Only the people you invite can send pictures to your frame. So no random uploads, just the people you love sending the moments that matter. It even plays 15-second videos with sound, like baby's first steps or your dog doing something ridiculous. It really brings those memories to life. Custom slideshow settings, captions for every photo, sleep mode at night, and 32 gigabytes of built-in storage that holds up to 40,000 photos. And if you need more, just pop in a micro SD card. This frame is the perfect gift for parents, grandparents, or anyone you love. Just ask Greg, Amy, or Heather from the reviews. They say it's easy to set up, perfect for long-distance families, and totally worth it. So if you're ready to bring your memories out of your phone and into your life, check out the link in the description to grab yours. Trust me, you're gonna love it.